Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete LinkedIn account. While you may have your reasons to close your LinkedIn account, keep in mind that it is still a useful tool for both recruiters and job seekers. It's true that removing your account will help you protect yourself from such cybersecurity dangers as phishing attacks on LinkedIn. Before you hit delete, consider deactivating your premium subscription if you have one and downloading your data archive. Open your LinkedIn app and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. When the sidebar pops up, choose Settings. Then tap Account Preferences. Scroll down again and select Close Account. Then tap Continue. Now, pick the reason you are deleting your LinkedIn account and tap Next. LinkedIn now make it mandatory to specify why you are closing your account. Indicate the reason in the box and tap Next. Enter your password. Tick the box below to unsubscribe from any communication and click Done. And that's all. Deleting your LinkedIn account will remove the opportunity for you to connect with various business professionals quickly through this platform. But it may also slightly benefit your online safety. Removing your personal information from the internet can help you reduce your digital footprint and protect your sensitive data. With rampant data leaks, fake accounts, and other social media privacy issues, learning to recognize and protect yourself from potential cyber dangers on LinkedIn is crucial. If you want to learn more about how to avoid phishing attacks, find secure messaging apps, and otherwise improve your online safety. And that's all. Deleting a LinkedIn account both on desktop and mobile is a relatively easy process. You can do so either through the settings and privacy page on LinkedIn or by using the close account page. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.